So you spoke about Wix being super fast, much quicker than building a WordPress website. Tell me about that. What does that actually look like?
So depending on the client's budget, you can start a website from a template, which is designed by professional designers, and you can just put your own spin onto it.
Yeah.
And literally just work on your business from that point.
Okay.
However, if you want something bespoke,
Yeah.
you can start from scratch, design the website the way you want, and just stroke the cat all day long.
Glass is in the thing. I don't know.
I look like Mr. Scaramanga from Bond.
This is a joke, man. This is a joke.